It's really important to shout about good customer service. It's even more important to shout about excellent customer service. And that's what I've received from the Woodworkers Workshop. But before I get into the whys and the wherefores, I just want to state that I'm not affiliated with the Woodworkers Workshop in any way, shape or form. I'm just an ordinary customer, the same as you. And I also don't think for 1 minute that a channel of this size is considered big enough or to have a large enough audience or voice to have any impact on their decisions and their responses. On with the vid. Four or 5 months ago, I bought an Orc Tools router from Woodworkers Workshop. And I did a vid on unboxing and installing it. I'll put a link to that below. Anyway, I've been using the router, been really pleased with it, working a treat. And then it starts to make funny noises and a real screeching sound that sounded like a bearing was going to go. So I took a little vid and emailed it to the Woodworkers Workshop customer service team and asked them, in their opinion, if they felt there was a problem brewing. I sent that email to them at 6:45 on a Monday evening. And at 9:25 the following morning, I got a reply from their customer services team saying that they're really sorry I'm experiencing this problem. It shouldn't have occurred and it sounds like a bearing's going, so they'll arrange for a swap out. So less than 24 hours later, they saw the little vid, which the email wasn't a complaint. I didn't demand anything. I merely asked them for their opinion on the sounds that it was making. And that was the response I got. They said they wanted to run it past their technical manager who wasn't in until the following day. Fair dues. So the following day, get another email back from them confirming the fact that they think a bearing's going and they'll arrange the swap out. And the swap out will be with me on Friday, so 2 days later. Well, I couldn't receive it then, so I asked them to postpone it until the following Tuesday. So the point I want to make is that they didn't challenge it, they didn't deny it, they didn't look for a scapegoat reason, they didn't ask me to jump through loads of hoops in order to tick a load of boxes. They looked at the little vid I sent, agreed that there was a problem, and gave me a solution to the problem. They were extremely helpful, extremely apologetic, and an absolute dream to deal with. I think that's the embodiment of excellent customer service. And as far as I'm concerned, it takes away any bad taste at experiencing a problem with a product, because the supplier that I've dealt with has done such a superb job. They've really taken the opportunity to demonstrate they're better than their competition. So I will continue to try and buy my products from Woodworkers Workshop, and I really suggest you check them out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ta-ra.